Talk to me.
Hi.
Okay, I was just looking at the volume.
What's your name? Live around here often. It's from that don't drive drunk ad. So, hey, live around here often.
All right, everybody, we're here today with my son Joshua and my daughter-in-law Sarah, and we're making some liquid nitrogen ice cream. We're gonna do a chocolate stout ice cream, and I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to do most of this, and you guys
We'll try not to screw it up?
Yeah, try not to screw it up.
Okay, so we'll start by reducing this?
Yeah, let's reduce
Okay, we got a Left Hand Brewing milk stout on nitro.
So I have a really large pan because when you reduce the stout, it's going to boil up. So you want to have plenty of room for it to boil up. It'll foam, so keep an eye on it. Let's get something to stir it with. Yeah.
It looks good.
Yeah, as long as you keep stirring it, it won't foam over. But if you walk away and let it keep foaming, it'll just pour all over and you have a mess.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like stout in here now, right?
Warm beer. So we've got it down to about half the volume that it was.
Okay.
Reduction success.
All right, good.
Reductions. Okay.
Then we can add the cream and the milk. I already had pre-measured for you guys.
All it?
Yeah, all of the cream.
All at once?
All at once. Oh, that's the milk. Yeah, that's good. All at once. And then the cream.
Ooh, that looks good.
And then sugar. That's three-fourths of a cup of sugar right there. Total of 1 cup of sugar is in this whole recipe. Oh, it's getting stuck to the bottom of the bowl.
Oh.
Whoops.
Let's see.
Get a spoon. There you go.
There.
Good. And then I've got some nice dark chocolate over there that I chopped up because it'll melt faster. So just add that.
Add this?
Yeah.
Without splashing too much? There.
There. Okay. And then now we're just going to let that melt. Let the chocolate melt. I got some chocolate covered pretzels for toppings.
Nice.
Right? Wouldn't that be good? I thought I'd chop that up.
Yeah.
Chocolate covered pretzels and honey roasted peanuts.
That'll be good.
I mean, I just think of peanuts and pretzels when I think of stout or beer.
Yeah, like
and
good
chocolate.
bar snacks.
That does sound good.
Yeah, bar snacks. So, but you guys, we forgot to add the salt. And right there next to you is some salt.
Oh.
If you can just pour that in.
Okay.
Oh, shoot.
There you go. Because, I mean, it doesn't take much salt, but a little salt with chocolate just really
it'll
brings
be a lot better, yeah.
out. Yeah. I'm going to slide this aside, and if you and Sarah will take this whisk here and stir the sugar into the egg yolks that I have.
Okay.
Great. Just whisk that up real good.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now we got this hot milk, and Sarah, you're closer there, so while Josh is whisking, you drizzle a cup of that hot milk into the egg yolks, and that's going to temper the egg yolks so that we don't make scrambled eggs.
Sounds good.
Just do a slow drizzle and whisk while you're drizzling.
Yep.
There you go.
So that's slow enough?
Yep, that's looking good. Okay, so that warms the egg yolks up a little bit, and now you're gonna take that whole bowl that you just tempered the egg yolks in and put it back in here.
Sounds
I'll
good.
slide that close to you guys. Get my chocolate mess out of the way. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to bring this custard up to between 180 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've got the little digital thermometer sitting next to you, Josh.
Okay, let's put this in.
Look it up there.
If I can figure out how this works.
Perfect.
Have you seen how you're supposed to pour these nitro stouts, Mom?
No, how are you supposed to pour them?
I'll show you.
But you do it your way, I'll do it my way. We'll see which one works better.
So you just dump it up. And so you let it really come out.
All right, who's came out foamier? Same.
Okay, so why do you pour it like that?
Just because it's nitro, so it's not going to foam a lot anyway. So you can dump it vigorously, and then you get this kind of like cascading.
Top.
Yeah.
There.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, 181.
Okay. All right, so now we can turn this off and bring that bowl with the strainer over here. And we can take that out. We're up to 182, that's good enough.
Okay. All right, you can see why I use a strainer.
Hey.
Yeah, so
Little bit of chunks.
Little bits of egg get cooked in. We don't want to have those in the ice cream.
Yeah. There we go.
Sometimes there's less, sometimes there's more.
You spatula it?
Yeah, you can spatula it.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Now we want that to cool off. It's really hot right now, so we're going to put it in the fridge for a few hours.
Okay.
And then we'll come back when it's nice and cool.
I guess we can finish our beers.
You can finish your beers. Yeah. Or... Oh, glasses.
Don't forget to put these on, or do you have your own? These ones here?
I have glasses.
Okay, I'll put these on then.
You've
These
got.
are more my color.
Okay, true.
All right, you're gonna have to lift that.
Yes.
So let me get the paddle. We'll turn the paddle on, and then you're gonna slowly pour the liquid nitrogen into the.
And do we just keep going until we see that it's forming ice cream, or?
Yeah, we're gonna have it on really slow, and it's gonna stir as you're pouring the liquid nitrogen. And we're not gonna see an awful lot because it's gonna make a bunch of smoke.
Okay.
And
So are we gonna pour it directly from this or from a smaller thing?
From this.
it's better. Yeah, transferring it would be awkward.
All right.
Okay.
So we gotta still, is this like scrape the edge?
This scrapes the edge. You don't have to have this, but I like it because there's less stopping, stirring with your spatula and restarting. So I really like this particular paddle. I have another paddle that doesn't have the scraper on the edge. And you can make the ice cream with it just as easily with that kind of a paddle. Okay, there. Just gonna turn it on low and
then go away?
Yep.
Are you safe?
I'm safe.
All right. Are you safe?
There.
Not a whole lot of space here.
Yeah, I just gotta be careful. There.
A little bit more, maybe.
Should I breathe it in?
You gotta keep pouring.
Actually. Be careful. Don't do this. You talk about being safe.
Don't tell her what to do.
Keep pouring, keep pouring.
It's going everywhere.
Yeah.
Do we have our glasses?
So you can tell by the motor
Yeah.
that it's starting.
It's struggling now.
Yeah. And so it probably is at the consistency of soft ice cream now.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good time to stop. It sounds like it's getting. Yeah. Okay. Let's take a look.
That's delicious.
Wow.
Ah,
Oh yeah.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
okay. Well, oh!
Oh my god. I'm really glad they went in my pants.
I'm sorry.
We go for a fish, so that's the easiest way to get it out of the bowl.